Well, hello there, my party peeps. This is Danica with Perfectly Posh. Tonight we having our fantastic and fabulous Facebook party, and with further ado, I told you we would have the stripper come and join us. So come on, ladies, put out your hands and give me a round of applause, and let's start making your trays for the stripper. Oh yeah, she's here to show you a good time. So, the stripper. She's one of our famous ladies here at Perfectly Posh, and I like to use her on a weekly basis. Normally we don't like the guys to go out and get stripper all over them, but in this case, we'd let them do it. It'll be okay. So, in this fantasticness right here, we've got some coal-activated charcoal, which is a really great detoxer that we have. You're going to feel a little bit of burn, but that's how you know it's working. That's how you know it's working. So I'm going to make sure that our special guest here for the night, the stripper, has been adequately applied before I go on and share a little bit more with you about Posh. If you're not familiar with Posh, we are a pampering product company. All of our items are gluten-free and soy-free for those of you that have those sensitivities. But in addition to that, we're naturally based. We've got a lot of really great products as far as bases for what we use, like shea butter and cocoa butter, essential oils, and a lot of those other really fun things. I'm going to show you a couple of different of our best sellers that we have, especially if you're not familiar with Posh or what it is that we offer. So next, to follow up the stripper, we have our Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream. These are 3 ounces. This particular product also is vegan friendly. It is 3 ounces, so it is TSA approved, so you can take it on with your flights with you, so no worry having to check this bad boy in. We also have our Skin-Delicious Body Butters. This is actually one of our newest scents. This is our Farmer's Market, so it is a watermelon cucumber scent. Again, lots of shea butter, really great for moisturizing your skin and for use anywhere and all over your body. We also have our fantastic skin sticks. As you can see, these are pretty big sticks, definitely a lot bigger than your regular chapstick size. They have a variety of uses, not just this one particular, the healer, but there are also 5 other ones that we have as well. With that, we have a ton of body scrubs. My personal favorite is Appeal to Me, and it's just orange lemon goodness. Anytime I've gone to a vendor event and have had this out on my table, it has by far been the #1 requested sample to give out to people. So this is really great to use, again, all over your body and just wherever you feel that you might need it. But not just pampering ourselves. Perfectly Posh has a fantastic skincare line since I became a consultant on January 1st. I've been using it exclusively since then and couldn't be happier. My skin is clearer now than it ever has been, definitely a lot more soft, and my skin tone is so much more even, and that has a lot to do with our BFF, definitely one of our best sellers, our best friends forever. It is an exfoliating face wash, and then I generally follow that up with our day-night moisturizing cream. With that, we also have our chunk bars. So these are some really big bath bars. Generally, you need 2 hands to even use these bad boys. They lather up super nice, and these are a great alternative and certainly last a lot longer than a lot of our body washes. With that, we also have our Snarky Bar. Fantastic product here as well. A lot of great exfoliating beads in there. You can use it all over your body, in your hands, gets a really, really great lather. And with that, we have our various eye serums here as well. We have the Sweet Young Thing and our Vitamin C Fairy. The Sweet Young Thing certainly helps with wrinkles and reducing fine lines. I use this at night before I go to bed. and then our vitamin C fairy that really helps with overall skin tone and kind of getting rid of those dark circles. So I'll use that in the morning before I apply my makeup. So that has certainly been there as well. But there is so much to share with Posh, and I don't want to take up any more of your time because I promised you this would only be a 30-minute party. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be fast. I'll be sharing some albums here in a few moments of some of the more popular items that we have. By no means is it an expression of the entire product line that we have, because it isn't, but it is a sampling of our most popular products amongst our company, amongst our customers. And I certainly hope that you enjoy having learned more about what we offer, and I look forward to bringing out the stripper again with you soon. Thank you guys for coming out and spending some time with me tonight. I love you all. Thanks so much, and I will be chatting with you online here again shortly. Thanks. Bye.